Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains, North Carolina, and today I wanted to share with you this new, used generator. If you saw a couple weeks back, or maybe a couple months back, depending on when I upload it, I had an old McCullough Muddy Light generator that I've had for over 20 years, and nothing wrong with it other than its age, and the fact that it didn't put out a ton of power. It was 3,300 watt peak, so I was always looking for something to replace it with. Other big issue with that old generator was it only had a 1 gallon gas tank. So when I came across this unique fixer-upper, I jumped at the opportunity. I got this thing for damn near free, to be honest with you, because it wasn't running. It is a Tecumseh 10 horsepower. As you may or may not know, Tecumseh is out of business at this point. So getting parts for it's a little bit difficult, but I was able to get the ignition coil and a carb rebuild kit for it, and got it all cleaned up and put back together. Fresh oil change, fresh gas, and look at what we have here. It's actually a very nice working unit now. 5,250 watt max, that puts it at about 4,700 watts run, which is about double what I had, so I'm very happy with that. Even though the unit is much more large physically than the other generator I had, it's actually lighter, and I just attribute that to technological advances, right? Biggest upgrade, biggest nicety, I'd say, would be the gas tank. It's just shy of 5 gallons, and so that would give it a heck of a long run time in the event that I needed to, we had a power outage. And of course, being higher wattage, well, I could run things for a lot longer, so that would be kind of nice. PowerBack electric generator. Oh, it's actually 5250 run. It's 6500 surge, so that puts it almost 3 times as powerful as the one that I had. So that's really cool, man. I like that. Of course, it is 20 amp 120, and it does have 20 amp 240, so I can run the well if I wanted to. I just need to wire in the transfer switch for the house, which I'm going to do here shortly. I'm not going to make a video of that because I'm not a licensed electrician. Even though I don't have a problem doing that kind of work, I don't want to be the guy to tell you how to do it in case something goes horribly wrong. So, yeah, let's just take a look here. The 10 horsepower Tecumseh. Again, Tecumseh is out of business. They're not a bad engine from, I have other Tecumseh. Oh, look at that. Huh. Okay, there's something missing there. And let's see if you can see it right there. The rubber bushing is missing. So I'll have to get one of those on order or make something. That's about the only thing I can see that's gone screwy. That's not bad. And it's not too loud. I'd say it's quieter than the old Briggs, but then again, we're talking about 20 to 25 year newer technology. This one, as far as I can tell, was made in 2005. So when we're talking about 75, 85, 95, well, 30-year difference. Wow. Yeah, so pretty cool. I do like this feature. If it were to blow an oil seal or something like that, the switch, the on-off switch here, that switch is also like an emergency light. It'll flash and then shut down if the engine is low on oil pressure. So that's kind of cool. I like that. Well, let's go ahead and I'll fire it up. There's the choke and the air filter I replaced. So let's fire it up and see how it sounds. Good. Switch to on. It's pretty warm out. I'm not going to try the choke. We'll give it a pull without it. The only thing I would say that the other generator would definitely have the advantage on this one is the other generator was electric start. And while it's not necessary, sure is nice, especially if the pull cord here were to break at an inopportune moment, it still would be nice to be able to start that. So that's probably about the only thing that I'm going to miss about the old one. Let's go. Not bad. Here's a couple close-ups of it, model numbers and all that. Looks like it's the GT5250. Yeah. Well, if you like this video, perhaps you'll think about liking and subscribing. I have lots of other small engine repair videos, tractor videos, mid-sized tractor videos, you name it, I got it. And of course I do other stuff. I'm on the homestead here, so check it out. And I'll see you next time. Take care.
always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.